How to check Facebook friend request sent list. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can check your sent friend request list on Facebook. Now, to do so is quite easy and quite simple, so let me help you. First, what you want to do is open up the app and make sure you're logged into your account. And once you're logged into your account, you'll get an interface like this. Now, you can see three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen just below the messaging icon. Tap on it and head into settings. You can see settings icon. And if you scroll all the way down below here, under your information, you can find the option activity log. Now tap on it. And here, if you scroll all the way down below, you'll find the option connections. Now go to view connections, and what you want to do is tap on filters and head into categories. And on categories, you can see all sort of options. You can view added friends, removed friends, friend request received. Now you can see just below the pages, page likes and interest, the option sent friend request. Now tap on it, and here you'll be able to see all the friend requests that you have sent. You can see all my friend requests that I've sent. So this way you can check Facebook friend request sent list on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.